The main reason why I come here tonight is for Osahneoma Esewi. I dey see the way people today attack Osahneoma Esewi. Since all this while, I not check Wetin happen. Me not be person wey be say, you know, some presenter dey. If they dance, they go left. He goes, if follow the dance, they go left. He not know what they do. If he also say that they dance, they go left, he go. Never put this our background before I put their issue here. You know, verify. Oh, wow. Me not be that kind of presenter. I must go and verify to really see what they make them the drag Osahneoma Esewi. Please help me to share the live stream. Power tap. Reach my live goal if you can. Please. Wanna share. Correct. Any video way, you know. Come. So deep I mean wait. Come. I saved this video. Please help me to power tap and share the live stream. I think say I saved the video. Because I need to play that video when if I talk say they have to tell the clapate.
My people, I don't go.
Where they have to tell the clapate.
See, I listened to this video, eh?
All right.
Where they have to tell the clapate.
See, I listened to this video, eh?
All right, my people. So when I can't go listen to what this guy talk, I can't bust laugh. At first, when I listen to me very carefully, you see this guy here, I am not in support of what he said by saying women we can't enjoy for Nigeria, say they are to the clapate for hotel. I know they in support. But the way bloggers for Europe, most especially, they carry some kind of news, they baffle me. News when they're supposed to carry, they carry them. They don't make those kind of ones go viral. What this man said is a man, is no guy boy. As we don't reach 40, is no guy boy. What this man said is wrong. But because he get name, now because he be musician, that is the reason why a lot of people reacted to that video. Clapate means that to they blow whistle for hotel, like they sleep from one bed to another. I think he was joking, but the joke was not called for. Easy boy. When he talk, say all Europe women will born male children. Say they suck their enemy children prick. I don't see blogger we blog that video. Mona show because you don't say when me my well and manner in which I tell the talk for issue. If they dead different from every other person, that is why my own they always they different. That is why I may not get matter. Not be only one video easy boy do take trauma give Europe women. Then he did another video, gather children. Only few bloggers talk about them. Because they say no man get name, they drag and they go left, they drag and they go right. The way on take drag will say no man so no one touch on see easy boy video. Where it does say mama to the co. How many bloggers blog that video? I want to know. Like how many bloggers, how many women really do video put for that thing? Oh, because in an upcoming musician. He never blow. The one where Easy Boy don't do, he not even reach 1/4 of Wetin. That person will talk say Enogie is biased, block his papa life, come up for here. Maybe you deft. When I talk, say, I know they in support of Wetin this guy do. But when we want to do something, more they do in general. More they use stars and then till they do something. You have like I said before social media now. If my matter come media, it will different from every other presenter. Why? Because Enogie don't make name already. If I drag Enogie, I go get view. For real. If they really start the video, they go really see the view. Make the view come there with them after Enogie matter. For where? Check all the people that have dragged me. From the beginning, they go gain that popularity, they go gain that view. After some time, they will fall down again because why? They did not follow the right source to become who they want to become in life. What this man said is wrong, but I beg, he has apologized on one video of Sonoros and Snapchat, I don't know, where they bring all those Bini actors, they come. Please, me will let them be. Because saying I'm a musician, because say popular, that's what I drag on. Easy Boy they talk say Europe me to the co. Now let me come drag on before it comes out to insult me. I don't see bloggers, I don't see people who face Easy Boy. Easy Baba, God bless you. In your record, use police arrest him. Other women they lock up. I don't see you call Yore say, I bet when they detain that guy, not that make another petition for his head. Nobody do it. Now, Osahneoma just talk. The thing just they go viral. Our viral here, it just they go viral. Francomans were all called. We go sleep with woman finish. The next day go talk. Because Osahneoma a musician. No, it is wrong. If they do something, more they use like real papa pikin now and so. And when I enter their matter now, I don't want to talk to them today because say I did close to them. No, I know they use friendship till they do my thing. If you like, you stay. If you like, go. That's me. Those who love me will still be with me. But for this one, Osahneoma, you are very, very wrong. Not be all married women they cheat for their husband house. Not be all women who go to Nigeria, go they sleep hotel with boys. They make love to them. You were very wrong. That is a very wrong narrative from a big musician like you. But it's okay. Because I never see you for that kind of thing before. So I don't want buy here or back vinye. But Easy Boy, don't insult Europe with me tire. At the end of the day, what happened? He got to say, when I know verse, some of the Europe women still go to support her for a career. You wanna take drag, I'm gonna drag Easy Boy like that. No, the blessing don't know the gravity of what Easy Boy do. That's why some of them are going to tell me, please forgive. You not classify one woman. He say all Europe women where they born boys children. He said they suck their children, enemy, prick. I will play the video for you people tonight again because the video don't come up for a platform, but I save all those videos. It not end there. He said all the women where they Europe, he said they cheat on their husband, both the married, both the unmarried. He said no Europe marriage. Wait till this guy not talk for women body. So that means if now Osahneoma just talk now for that burial. Oh, Easy Boy never get name. Okay, now I understand. But please, we don't give him to reach. He's not my friend. I have never speak to Osahneoma before in my entire life. The only person who I don't speak to now still Agboyosa. Me this one, me apart from say I know I say I'm a musician in B. But say me and I can't talk for phone. My boy phone is there. If you not think side the lie, I'm gonna ask him. Tolos will say, and because saying I'm my person, that's why they support her. I no support to sign on my say we. But the thing is said, and we what compare Wetin he talk and Wetin Izzy don't talk. Which one heavy pass for math? Where they are to the clapate, now they beat up put since almost 5 or 6 days. Thank you so much. 4 to 6 days now, but I have never seen a blogger. One blogger drag Izzy boy for 2 days. They don't even send them. If this guy not get name, nobody will send them. Send a normal person do that video that day for with Sandra Agbogun for his car. So nobody will sign on man. Not be mentioned. I swear to God, nobody will talk. Everybody will throw a face. They go even laugh for comment section. But as far as it's coming from a celebrity, it's coming from a popular musician, people will not label him and start dragging him. All those people they drag him, check them. They are not right. They're not still balanced. I love the fact that they sat around for that speech, but it is okay. Because people there where they do this thing on a daily basis for years, where people now they thought now they look. Why go on? Some of them now where be the women go even climb the Izzy boy platform, they swear for her, they insult her. Why some go they support her? Do you understand? So please, Osahneoma, try as a celebrity when you are in public, you should be very, as far as say live video door open on you. As I did here, so people are waiting for me to make mistake. Not be everybody way they watch me and love me. That's the truth. You can't tell me that now all the people they watch, now all these people where they here, so now these 2003 people that love me. No. There are people here that are yet, they are just here for me to make mistakes so that they cut it and go and put it on their channel. But they will forever wait in vain. Why? Because anything I say, the one that I say, Enogie talk, say, to get views to themselves. So as a celebrity or as someone who is popular, please Osahneoma next time. Because if you don't understand, I will saga you. But I never see you for that kind of thing before. And I believe everyone is bound to make mistake. But please, be very careful next time when you're on camera. Even if say, not be you hold the phone. As far as you know, say Sandra they on camera, be very careful. Not just Sandra, any other person, anytime, any day. Because many people don't they forget something. This one and they don't go right and keep. If you do that one next time, they'll come add this one, join her. This saga you way. As was one thing. That is poor musician career.